Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say, any day above and not under, y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang. Y'all, I gotta be watching her fingers.
Hey cousin.
Y'all know who that is. So y'all know I'm on my quest to lose this weight I got on. So I have the Impossible waffle today. You see that? Impossible. Let me stop it. Y'all know. So we gonna see what this thing tastes like, y'all. It's lettuce, tomatoes, pickles. They ain't got no cheese on here though.
Is it both got cheese in there?
Child, I thought it came with cheese. I would have told them to add some cheese to it. Shoot, no cheese. But y'all, I ain't about to eat all this bread now. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. So we about to flip this thing because the mayo is on. Oh, y'all, I was gonna wrap this in lettuce, but I'm out of lettuce. So we just gonna do half of the bread because we got some potatoes right here and I'm going down these potatoes. So something gotta give, y'all understand? And I got me a Sprite. So I'm cheating as it is, but trying to be good at the same time.
I've been there.
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
Really?
A lot of people don't know that Burger King, they do sell, what is it?
Vegetarian burger.
A what?
Vegetarian burger.
Yeah, vegetarian burger. Before they even had this. They had that on their menu too.
I like that.
It's pretty good too.
I like to get that.
I would swear I'm eating beef.
Yeah, that's the best thing about Impossible burgers. Ooh,
Hell.
it tastes so good. It tastes like a pretty.
I could really.
That's what I'm saying. It's low key kind of pricey, but not overly pricey.
It wasn't even that pricey.
No, I was talking about the ones at the store.
Oh,
the
yeah.
Impossible burgers, they're like kind of, but I mean, it's good. And then usually, I forgot which brand it was, but I don't know. It says Impossible. I got ours from like Target.
Shamika had the box
Mm-hmm.
when she went over Miss Mary's house, and Miss Mary made the burger for her, and she fell in love.
Yeah, it's good.
She's like, "Mama, you gotta buy this."
I be buying that all the time.
And I never bought it. She left before I did. So
It'd be a nice grad present.
I know, right?
That'd be
When she
great.
graduates at the end of this month, then I can start sending her care packages.
Yeah, she don't know that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure it's better than whatever they feed her, but I'm sure she could like leave the
Child, she eating peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You know she's very picky about what she eats. So,
Probably lost weight while she was in there.
yeah.
Well, it's almost.
I mean, you got. I'm like, Mika, you gotta eat more than peanut butter and jelly. That alone ain't gonna do nothing.
I mean, do they serve them different stuff?
She don't like it.
So she just chooses peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Say the meat don't look good. Like the food don't look good.
Only Mika. She probably is right though. I do be seeing.
Y'all, this really tastes good. And it ain't even got no cheese on it.
Imagine it with cheese.
And, yeah.
I definitely be putting cheese on. Sometimes there was times I didn't, but when I did, girl.
Y'all know I love my ketchup. I ain't even putting no ketchup on my. Y'all know. Man,
She's smashing y'all.
I'm almost through. This is good. This is really good. Next time though,
Cheese.
cheese, and I'm gonna make sure I have my lettuce wrap that sucker up.
It's probably good too.
Get it off that bread. Cause I promised myself that I'm, you know, slow down on the carbs.
Yeah, I know you saying that. I might start
And,
using lettuce too.
I'm with that, yeah.
Jimmy John's be doing it. They call it an unwich. It's probably good.
You can wrap any daggone thing
With the lettuce. Yeah.
with the lettuce.
And then I'll take them.
I don't eat mushrooms because if I did, you could do it with mushrooms too. What's that, portobello?
Oh, I mean, because you could just. Okay.
The big ones.
Yeah, I don't like mushrooms either though.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of vegans love them to put mushrooms. Well, let me say vegetarians. I don't know if vegans eat pasta too. I don't know if that's like, I doubt it though.
I don't eat it. That vegan restaurant, they make some hella mushroom, fried mushroom. That'd be good, but I don't eat it.
I'm gonna go to a vegetarian restaurant or something, or a soul food one.
Right on Vincent's.
It's what?
One right on Vincent's.
What?
They good as that's the only place that I eat when I'm not eating meat. And I don't cook for myself.
Wow.
It's so good.
Because
Not because you're not eating real meat. That don't mean your food gotta taste like nothing.
and that's true. You said you just gotta know how to cook though when it comes to being a vegetarian. I want to have some burger too. I'm gonna get
That is so good.
Get that. I was like,
I had to try and slow down because I'm eating it too fast.
that's how I feel when I be eating the impossible. I be saying when it ends.
Man. For this not to be meat, this is the best that I've tasted so far.
I mean, they probably broil it too, so.
This is the impossible is the best I've tasted so far.
Better than
Because the other day,
Wow.
the other day I went to White Castles and I got one of their meatless things. Child, when I tell you that thing nasty.
I could have told you that. I don't even like their burgers. The only thing I like is like maybe a chicken sandwich. Barely like it.
Girl, get out of here. White Castle little sliders, they be good.
I mean, I said I liked it. It ain't like the best, but I also like their chicken rings. That's all I get. Don't get no burgers from there.
Burger King got good.
And then the way they cook, I don't know if you ever saw like White Castle's documentary. That's why I don't be going there for real. They like the way they cook it. They put a lot of onions in their burgers. I don't like that. On top of putting onions when you give it to them, I don't like all that onion.
Onion is good for you though.
But I love onions, like I really do. But I don't like the way they incorporate their onions. Like their onion meat.
Less meat for you. They don't even use meat. What they use? Soybeans or something?
I don't know what they be using, but I don't like it. I don't know if it's, my mom used to buy them all the time when I was a kid, and I never really liked them. Like if you keep that.
Yes, you know what? I don't really buy them things. I really don't. I buy. My kids eat junk because they go out there and buy it.
I was about to say, it's nothing in this house.
Nope.
I mean, the pop was the first thing I saw. I was surprised. I was surprised you even had that here.
I'm telling you. I don't buy certain things. Cause if it's not in the house, they won't eat it.
Yeah, my mom does the same thing.
Yeah.
So.
But they dad.
You buying them stuff. I mean, cause especially if that's cause he's a man. As a man, he probably don't feel like cooking for real. Cause I'm sure
The first time they drank soda, he gave it to him.
And they was hooked. Yeah. So what is the difference? I don't really drink soda.
I did not feed my kids them things.
It's not really necessary to anyway.
No. All that sugar, child. Sugar is the one thing we really need to stay away from.
I'm gonna try that carbonated water. That's probably gonna take that.
You can. You like agave?
No, what's that?
It's a sweetener. that when it's not nasty.
I'm gonna try it first.
But when I'm trying to cut back on sugar, I use the agave to gradually win me off of the sugar. You know, so I make lemonade with the agave lemon juice, and I use this. So it's like carbonated water. You get that fizz you're looking for.
Yeah, I think that's what everybody's looking for.
Yeah. So you know, but this is from yesterday.
I don't know how people, man, I don't even drink soda like that anyways because it burns my throat. It burns. Like, after you stop drinking it for a while, it burns. And then once you go back, that's how you get addicted. Again, no.
Like right now, this I gotta stop altogether. I got my, I was waiting on this thing to come. It's here, so I'm gonna be juicing now too. Oh, I'm serious about getting this weight off now. This, no. So that's where we at, y'all. I'm rambling. Ooh. Shishana, we need you. Ooh, excuse me. Y'all have a blessed day.